Hi, and welcome to Eduply. This is the session one guide for problem solving, and really to shed some context on why our kids need this skill, the deep understanding of why we need to problem solve. What they learn to do through time are two things as it relates to problem solving: convergent problem solving and divergent problem solving. Let me explain that in a little more detail. Divergent problem solving is where the kids work together as a team and come up with all possible opportunities and solutions to solve that problem. Convergent is where they take the best of those ideas and hone in and selectively choose with reasoning why those convergent ideas seem to be the best. So as you start the problem solving activities with your students in class, encourage them to be non-judgmental in their brainstorming of ideas. Use language like, wow, that's an interesting idea. Share that one with your friends. And remember, the trick here is not to solve it necessarily, but to come up with as many divergent ideas as you possibly can in a non-judgmental environment. As you move through these problem solving activities in the classroom, you'll see that the kids really start to own how to solve this problem. You'll see role models develop. You'll see kids really listening and hearing explicitly what each other's saying. Be sure in that moment that you facilitate and be an excellent role model in exemplifying to them how they're listening to each other, and confirm for them the best parts of their conversation. Say things like, I love the way you thought about this, but then immediately thought about the repercussions. They're the things that will make a difference. They're the things that will build collective efficacy between the kids and you in the classroom. That's the key to problem solving, is working together. And remember, that's what all employees want. Students that are rich in problem solving skills and then can take them and work collaboratively with them in that convergent and divergent way. As you navigate these initial problem solving activities from the Eduply platform, or whether you choose to overlay the STEM concept in your own content, you'll start to see that you're facilitating more, that you're providing more feedback, relevant feedback, immediate feedback for the kids. This creates an enriching environment. That's going to feel incredibly enriching to you. You're going to see kids talk that probably wouldn't have spoken so openly previously. They're going to have opinions. They're going to realize that their opinions are valued. They're going to be effective contributing members of their classroom. And what you'll notice is the students, they'll be sharing more and receiving immediate feedback from each other. That creates a really rich classroom environment for discussion and progress. Don't feel like you have to do all this alone. Encourage the students to use the sentence starters for effective feedback. The sentence starters are there to provide a scaffolding. Don't feel like you have to use every single one of them. If the kids have better ones, erase the ones that are there and put new ones in. Empower the kids. What you're essentially doing them is equipping them with skills and sentence starters that sound more effective, that are more effective, and are respectful of all collaborators in the group. So to sum up, remember, you're going to feel your classroom come alive. Between the convergent and the divergent thinking, encourage that, explain that to them. Let them know that there's two approaches to problem solving that you really want them to focus on. Feel free to overlay that STEM concept in any subject you teach. Wrap it around your history content, wrap it around artistic opinions, wrap it around it a piece of music, and get their opinions on why they may like it or may not. Get that collaboration going, get that problem solving, get the ideas of everybody's opinion matters, and have fun with it. The more you have fun with it, the more they'll have fun with it. And remember, for them, it is a key skill that they will carry with them to be successful for the rest of their lives. Enjoy session one as you start to implement.